931 East Allison Street, sitting in the city main at 85 feet, 86 feet almost. I'm going to pull back from here and record as we go. Alright, so we're coming back through 6-inch diameter clay pipe. You can see by that color, the red hue to the sides and the lack of erosion. We're in 6-inch diameter clay. I don't know if I stated that already. 6-inch up until we get to our repair. Alright, so right there on the left-hand side of the screen, the bell is broken. This is just 2-3 feet in from our existing repair. Bell is broken there on the side. You can see the crack there at the bottom and how it's going up the left-hand side there. And as we pull back into our repair. I'm going to pause the recording real quick. Alright. So, sorry about that. So right here you got 6-inch pipe in the clay, and then it transitions to 4 here in the PVC. This is 4-inch PVC in the open excavation down on the sidewalk. There's the clean out cap. It's open right now. We haven't finished backfilling and finishing the repair. And we're back into 4-inch clay. I'm going to go out real quick. Zero my footage count. Alright, so this is all the 4-inch diameter clay. Right there on the left-hand side of the screen is a tie-in. And 2 fittings past there should be another one. There's one on the top of the pipe there. Alright, now we're back into this PVC, so we have 56 feet of 4-inch, only some of those feet of 6. There's our thing out. I'm going to end it there.